Okay, hi, this is Dave from E-mini Day Trader, and it's Monday, October the 17th, 2011. We have just put an order in here at 1201.50. You can see that we've got three red down arrows. The two lower red down arrows are showing us trading entry opportunities at 1201.25 and 1201.75. So we're just going to split the difference and place the order in at 1201.50. Okay, good. Just got filled. That was quick. Sometimes the video kind of does things a little slower here, or pauses them momentarily. But okay, we're filled on that. You can see that our stop already has been dropped because we've reached the first objective. We haven't been filled on it. You can see that we have an order in to buy two at 1200.75, and our protective stop right now is at 1202.25, which is down 3 ticks from where it was originally at 1203, which is a point and a half above our entry price at 1201.50. So if you want to talk in ticks, our stop right now is 3 ticks. Our first objective is 3 ticks. So what we try and do is exit one half of our position at a profit of just 3 ticks. And as you can see in this case, it hit it on virtually the same bar, and as a result adjusted automatically our stop down from 1203, our initial protective buy stop down from 1203 to 1202.25. So we haven't yet been filled. Hopefully we're going to get filled here at our first objective of 1200.75. Our stop will not change at that time. It's already been adjusted. It'll stay there and remain there until the market comes down and hits our second objective. As you can see down there, we've got another buy limit order in at 1200 even, which is 6 ticks below our entry price. 6 ticks, of course, being equal to a point and a half. So if the market were to drop that point and a half, then our protective buy stop at 1202.25 would then drop down to our entry price at 1201.50. So the market has was pretty strong on Friday. This is the first trade we've had for Monday, and it's actually we did have one short trade earlier in the day, so this is actually which worked out nicely. It moved 2 points in our favor. So this is actually our second trade of the day, we're hoping that it can hit our first objective. The market on Friday was pretty strong and did have follow through overnight, Sunday evening, last night. But by the time the regular trading hours open, the RTH here today, RTH starting at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, New York time. When the market opened at that time, it had come all the way back down and opened. I think it was just right about in the key area that we have been monitoring, right in that 1214, 1215 area. And that kind of rejection off of those higher prices was not expected, certainly not from my standpoint, but once it did happen, it really paved the way for the sellers to come in and really take control of today. So you can see getting in on this trade here where it's approximately a dozen points below where the market had opened today. So there's been pretty good seller control on the market here today. So not what we were expecting, but when something unexpected occurs, obviously as a trader, very important to be able to adapt to that and make the trades accordingly. Now on our chart at the bottom, you can see we're in a dark green area. There's a colored band along the bottom. Right now it's dark green. Just before that it was dark red. Just before that it was red. Before that it was gray, or what we consider to be neutral. So anytime we're looking to get into a short trade, we want that filter, that band at the bottom, to be either red or dark red. And so obviously it was red when we went ahead and entered this trade. So and of course we've got the background information. Even though the market, okay, there we've just gotten filled on our first objective, and you can see that the stop has not changed. and now we're hopefully it'll dip down to 1200 even, and we get filled on that. And make another 6 ticks. So our profit right now is 6 ticks because we had 2 contracts that made 3 ticks each for a total of 6 ticks. Now, now we've hit our second objective here. As you see, we haven't been filled. If it does, however, bounce up in at 1201.50 before we get filled, then we will be break even on the second half of our position. In other words, the third and fourth contract will be break even. Won't make any profit on that, but hopefully we'll get filled here at 1200. It has hit it, so hopefully we'll get filled on that and be able to take out another 6 ticks of profits. If not, then we end up with just 3 ticks of profit on 2 contracts for a total of 6 ticks, which is a $75 profit should we get stopped out on this trade, which is okay. We've only been in this trade for 6 minutes or something like that, and we've already had a successful trade today where it hit both of our objectives and we were filled. Okay, so we didn't get filled. We got break even on the final partial, so we got a profit of $75 on that trade. Anyway, that'll be it for this trade. Thanks for watching. See you soon.